Hi, this is Teacher E again. Do you know the difference between breach and breach? In English, breach is a noun which means a violation or breaking of a law, agreement, or standard. It is also a verb which means to break or fail to observe something. Example, the company faced a lawsuit due to a breach of contract. While breach is also a noun which means a rare part of a firearm, or referring to a firearm, or referring to childbirth where the baby is positioned with feet or buttocks first. Example, the baby was in a breech position, so a cesarean section was necessary. In Filipino, ang salitang breach ay isang pangalan na ibig sabihin ay paglabag. Paglabag sa batas, kasunduan, o patakaran. Ito ay isang pandiwa din na ang ibig sabihin ay paglabag. Halimbawang pangungusap. Ang kumpanya ay naharap sa kaso dahil sa paglabag ng kontrata. Samantalang ang breach ay isang pangalan din na ang ibig sabihin ay likurang bahagi ng isang baril kung saan ipinasok ang cartridge o posisyon ng isang sanggol ay nakapwesto na nakatalikod o nakababa sa panganganak. Halimbawa, ang sanggol ay nasa breech position kaya kinakailangan ang cesarean section. There you have it! Always remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just learn from them. Thank you for watching. This is Teacher E. Follow for more.